Hey guys, today I'm going to be curling my hair with this. I'm not going to be using the clamp part. Maybe on one section I'll do the clamp. I don't even know, but like I'm going to split it in 4 and use it like as if I'm using a wand. Since my hair is I tried to do wand curls like in October, but since my hair was a little shorter it didn't work. But since my hair is a little longer now, I hope it'll work. As you can see, it's dead and it's gonna be more dead, but it's fine. At least it looks healthy. Hold on. Okay, it's hot. So I'm gonna just take my. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna hold it for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, never mind. That didn't do anything. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it like. Oh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've done the bottom half. I'm gonna do the top section now. So I've done the bottom half. I'll show you how I do my front pieces or my top layer. Okay guys, so now when I'm curling my hair, when I get to this piece, I just clamp it, pull it down midway, curl it in, pull it down, bring the curl up, and then bring it down to my ends, and then like twist it all the way back up here. Let it sit for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. And there you go. So now for my banging part. Some of my curls came out like even and kind of fell off in some places, but that's okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I thought I got in my eye for a second, but no, I did not. This is one side completed. I am now going to move on to the Okay, and now I am done with these curls. These are my inside curls. I honestly really like these. I'm gonna let them sit for a bit and then come back for the reveal.